in about 15 minutes. I'm looking at my product up top at my fill spout, and it still looks a little wet to me, but it's always going to look a little wetter up here than it is in the barrel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some out, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the product to stack up, okay? So if you draw it out enough, it's still a little too soft yet, so I'm going to run a little bit longer. Now you can make the product as thick as you want. You control that by how long you run it on the freeze cycle. I don't like to make it too thick because I don't want no ice chunks later. A lot of times when you make it too thick to begin with, it'll get icy later on. So in the marketplace here, in the Philadelphia marketplace, the most popular ices are the soft, smooth ices. There are a lot of wholesale products you can buy which are a harder product, and it has to be when it's wholesale because they have to transport it from wherever they manufacture it to your shop, so it has to be frozen. So the difference between making your own Italian ice is that your quality of the product and the freshness of the product is going to be much more superior to what you can buy wholesale. The other thing is the cost factor. This batch of water ice that I'm making here is probably costing me about $5 to $6. If you buy that same 2.5 to 3 gallon tub of product, it's probably going to cost you anywhere from $12 to $15. So you save a lot of money when you manufacture your own Italian ice. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little bit more. Okay, now that's done. Okay, so when it's done, I'm going to turn my machine off of freeze, and I'm going to go ahead and fill my tub. And what I've got there is a nice, smooth, beautiful product. And what you want to do is go ahead and smooth it off. Now, if I wanted to add some lemon rinds to that, what I would do is take my product and put about 8 ounces of lemon rinds on the top and mix it in with my stir rod. And when we're going to do a mint chocolate chip ice, and I'll show you how we mix stuff into the product when we make that product.